Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So how's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing well, staying safe. I'm doing wonderful. I don't have a tutorial for this hat. This hat is store-bought from Mountain Meadow Wools, but I do want to show you some yarn today from a very small yarn company. And my, is it ever gorgeous. I love their yarns. I have had it in the past, and I actually made this out of some of their yarns. Maybe you've heard of them. Blue Heron yarns. Oh my gosh. So I made this shawl. I have a tutorial for it. If you look in the description box, I'll put a link out of it. But of course, you don't have to use this yarn for this shawl. I have on Facebook, everybody makes this shawl, and they use all different kinds of yarn, and it's just as beautiful. But this one is made out of the yarn I'm going to show you. It's sparkly, but you can't see it on camera. Anyways, so Blue Heron Yarn is a small yarn shop. It's a mother and son business, and they're in Delaware. So it's all hand-dyed yarns, and they have different yarns. My favorite was, I don't know if it still is because I have a couple of different ones in here, the rayon metallic, which is this right here. So let me grab a hank of it and I'll show you what it looks like. So I've showed this before, that I bought from other sellers. This time I went directly through blueheronyarns.com and I purchased it on their website. Now they don't have tons of yarn, because you know, like it's a small yarn shop. But this is the Blue Heron Rayon Metallic. It is so pretty. The color of this one is pear. Now they don't always have the same colors. They only have they don't have a lot of yarn. So what I always like to do is go there, and they have like deals of the day, and they had different yarns on sale. So this one was not a deal of a day yarn. This was the Rayon Metallic is 550 yards, and it's an 8-ounce hank of hand-dyed beautiful sparkly yarn. It comes in all different colors. This one's like a tonal green. Gorgeous. Okay, but I did get this one from their deal of the day. So I noticed, like, their deal of the days, it's yarns that maybe are bigger hanks than what they should have been, or smaller hanks than what they should have been, and they're discounted prices. Okay, so normally they're rayon metallic on their website. Remember, I'll put a link to their website. I'm not affiliated with them or anything, but I just purchased this from their website. Is 8 ounces. So I found this bad boy on the deal of the day, 12 ounces. Oh, look at that. 12 ounces for cheaper than what the regular 8-ounce ones are. Look at that. That is going to make, it says the color is called Deep Water Rayon Metallic, 760 yards, 12 ounces. Nice. So this stuff's a lightweight number 3, and as you can see, it drapes remarkably, and you can see the color changes in this one. I forgot the color of this one. Let me think about it for a minute. I think I have it in cotton. Pink Pearl. Yes, that was the name of this one. I bought it a while back. But anyways, so I was so excited when I saw this huge 12-ounce hank in there for cheaper than what the regular hanks are. I got 4 more ounces for cheaper, just because maybe it was what was left over, and you know, they just hanked it all up and sold it at a discount. You'll find like 6-ounce hanks there, 7-ounce, 10-ounce, 9-ounce, 12-ounce is the biggest I've ever seen there. But deal of the day, that's where you want to look. So I got this. Isn't it beautiful? That's going to make something pretty, and that'll make a nice size shawl too. Okay, so those are the rayon metallics. I love the rayon metallic. So also they have what is Blue Heron Yarns Organic Cotton. Now these are 630 yards a hank. Look at this. So this is what I'm wearing, only this is cotton and this is the rayon, sparkly rayon, but it's the same color. So look at that. It's organic cotton. That is absolutely beautiful. It's so soft. This would make a beautiful top. It's a lightweight number 3, 630 yards of organic cotton, 100%. I think it's beautiful. It's so soft. It's so pretty. And you never know what colors they're going to have on their website. It's like different. So, you know, some of them I think are staple colors. And then some of them are colors they just make and they don't make again. I'm not certain on that. But I have colors that I've never ever seen before once I bought them. And they were just gone and you can't get them anymore. But anyways, isn't that beautiful? So that's 100% cotton. It's very soft. I like it. I think it would make an excellent top. And then I got another cotton as well. This one is called Raspberry. It's the same, 630 yards of organic cotton. Ooh, beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, it's pretty. Pretty. I think for these, I'm either going to make shawls or tops with them. I have 2 hanks of each, so I have enough. They are lightweight 3s, but I think the color changes are beautiful on them. Very subtle, you know. So you can see that's pink and that's like a peach, but it's the same as this one, and it's subtle, so except for this is sparkly and stuff. All right, and then they had this, which I seen and I've never had it before. It's bulky rayon chenille, I'm sorry, blue heron. So this, I wasn't sure. You can see that there is a tonal effect. It's not extremely noticeable. But you can see it a bit. I can see it a little bit more myself than you can on camera, but see, it's a little darker here than it is here. So this is kind of like a velvet yarn. I think this will make a pretty scarf or something. There's 250 yards here, and it's a bulky weight, so but it's very soft. But it feels like, you know, most chenille or you know, velvet yarns. So I thought that was very pretty. I only got 1 hank of that because I never had it before. And then this is something I had no idea they had until I just happened to see it. I missed it a million times, but I seen it the other day on their website, and I'm like, oh my gosh. It's like this rayon metallic, but it's wool. I love wool. I love wool. Oh, wait till you see this. Wait till you see this. Oh my goodness. It's tag. Blue Heron. Blue Heron yarns. This is called Wool Metallic. It's a good name for it. Oh my goodness. It is beautiful. So it's wool, but it's sparkly. 500 yards. The color is called Cardinal. Look at that beautiful stuff. Ooh, it's tonal too. You can see it a bit better. You see that darker red up here, and then it goes lighter here. And it's nice. You can tell that it's wool, but I think what I would do with this, it appears to be about a 3 weight as well. Unfortunately, I thought maybe it would be a little bit thicker than that, because it didn't say the weight. It just said something about makes up a nice bulky sweater, and I thought, maybe it's bulky. I won't need that many, but as you can see, it's about a 3 weight. So I did get 2 hanks, which is they're 500 each. So that's not enough for me to make a sweater. I'm not gonna buy any more because it's kind of pricey, but it is enough for me to make like a fall wrap. Wouldn't that be gorgeous? Yes. So I got 2 of the Cardinal Reds. I think this color is a staple that they have all the time. And you can see it's a tonal red. That is going to be so pretty. I'm going to make a fall wrap with that. Initially, I was going to make a sweater, but I have so much dang sweater yarn. I plan on making lots of sweaters and cardigans this fall that I don't really need it anymore. So, this can be a beautiful wrap. What do you guys think? Yeah. Be sparkling. And red is such a beautiful, elegant color. I've become a lot more attracted to red lately than normal, but it's very attractive and elegant. Oh, it's so beautiful. I love a good red. I love a good red. And then I got 2 more colors of the wool, and that's it. I'm going to show you the 2 colors. These are only 500 yards a piece. So these I thought I could make a hat and a scarf set out of, which that would be plenty for me to do that one. This one is called, this is the metallic wool. I love their rayon metallic, don't get me wrong, but I love wool yarn a lot. So it would be a toss-up between those two. The cotton is very pretty, you know, but I do like this. I like sparkly yarn a lot. This one is called Morning Cloud. Ooh, so that's pretty. That's kind of similar to this one, but only this one's way shinier, I guess. This is the rayon metallic, and this is the wool metallic. They're both really pretty. I don't know. This is way more sparklier. Sparklier. Is that a word? Sparkles way more. But this one is still very pretty. And yes, that will be a hat and scarf set more than likely. And then I got this green one, which is called Dark Moon. It's not quite the same as this one. This is the rayon metallic. No, it's a little different. But they're both kind of tonal in their own ways. I think I like the colors of this one a little bit better than this one. Don't get me wrong, this one's gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? That's a pretty, pretty green. So hat and scarf set, yes, definitely. So that is all I could afford from that place, because you can look it up, and it's kind of, their yarn is, okay, let me explain it like this. It may seem expensive when you look at the sticker. Okay, I'll tell you that they're around $50 a hank. But before you go, don't go. I'll explain that to you. Now, these are hand dyed by a very small mother and son company. And the amount of yardage you get in them, like say, this one right here is 550 yards. That's almost 3 hanks of hand, sometimes, yeah, 3 hanks of hand dyed regular yarn. Most of them are, I don't know, 200 yards. So, and those could run $25 to $40 a hank, depending on what you're thinking. So actually, it's a pretty good deal if you think about it like that. If you like hand dyed, it's actually a very good deal. You're only paying for, if you was to buy a hand dyed yarn, just say it averaged at $26. It's actually more nowadays because of inflation, but we'll just say that $52, and these run about $50. You're actually getting like a third hank free if you think about it like that, if you go by the yardage. That's the best way I can explain it to make a $50 hank of yarn sound good. These are very, very pretty. This one wasn't $50, but these, but this was less, I believe, because and it's big old 12 ounce because it was the deal of the day. Check out the deal of the day. That's where you got to look. But anyways, I wasn't trying to justify my purchase. I was just trying to explain that it really is a good deal if you break it down like that. Some people get really sticker shocked when they see a $50 hank of yarn, but you got to break it down as how much a hand dyed hank of yarn cost and how much yardage is in a hand dyed hank. These are like 3 hanks of regular hand dyed in 1 hank, so it's actually a really good deal. Anyways, I'm gonna go, and I think they're all beautiful. I told you my plans for some of them. This one I might go in a giveaway or a mystery box. I think it's beautiful, but I don't know. This one I'm gonna keep for a beautiful drapey shawl. I don't think I'll keep both these cottons. I'll make a top out of one. That red's really calling me. It's beautiful. I love it all. Definitely win a wrap out of that. I may not keep both these wools, but I will make a hat and a scarf out of one of them. But thanks everybody for watching. Check out Blue Heron, their website. Go to their website. Other yarn companies sell their yarn as well, but I think you find the best on their website. Deal of the day. Deal of the day. I didn't get these on the deal of the day. They didn't have none of the wool on the deal of the day, but I did get this, which was a deal. I'll see you guys next time, okay? Thanks for watching, and thanks for talking yarn with me. Remember, look for the tutorial for this beautiful shawl. Remember, you can use any yarn you want. You don't have to use this. I've seen it made in so many beautiful yarns. It looks good in any yarn you choose. Till next time, all right? I'll see you guys. Take care. Bye, guys.